Cat. Jacob, tell me where the cat is or die on public television.
Yeah.
Ow, 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 ow.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm killing you.
Oh. Good luck. Said good luck.
I am. What?
Punch me one more time. That's what I thought. Nope, no kicking either. Or head button. Or knee. No knee. Or elbows. Or face. Or head. Or any other thing.
Found the cat.
Yeah, no touching with anything, living or dead. Or
What about that chair that you're sitting on?
yeah, that's okay. And the floor, that's all okay.
Cat.
Not the cat, no! Damn, dude, that hurt.
Yeah, you died on public television.